Gaya ng animated movie na Inside Out, maraming emosyon ang tao. Masaya, malungkot, galit, at iba pa. Ang emosyon ay parang feedback system na tumutulong sa iyo na maintindihan kung ano ang mahalaga, nakasasakit o nakapagpapasaya sa iyo. Pero paano mo ba ito dapat intindihin? Paano ka ba dapat mag-react? Ito ang ilang mga tips on how to understand your emotions. Pause before reacting. Kapag emotional ka, iwas muna sa impulsive replies or decisions. Give yourself time to react. Notice your triggers. Ano usually ang nagpapastress, nagpapagalit, or nagpapalungkot sa'yo? Kapag alam mo kung ano ang nagpapatrigger sa'yo, then you're prepared emotionally. Pay attention to your body. Emotions show physically too. Tight chest, headache, mabilis na tibok ng puso, pagkawala ng gana, or pagiging restless. Your body often gives signals before your mind does. Stop invalidating yourself. Hindi kailangang ikumpara ang feelings mo sa iba. Just because someone has it worse doesn't mean your emotions are not valid. Give yourself time. Understanding emotions doesn't happen overnight. The more honest and self-aware you become, the easier it gets. Sometimes, having someone to explain your feelings helps you understand it more clearly. Hindi weakness ang pagiging emotional. Part siya ng pagiging tao. The goal is not to avoid emotions, but to manage them in a healthy way. You can do it.